Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u antorni. Tourism uba polling do menta kasngi ulapan menai ka jingpli perda jong ka tourism calendar jong ka jilla. Kablas rang ka cherry blossom festival kum ka jingya lenti ka beningkong. Ha bakran ha kani kasngi uba polling do ulapan pau ba ka shillong graduate. Kum kanong ba ka bakong santam ban jingnet kai favorite tourism destination ha ka re India ka balong ka jingjop ka bakraw namar ka jilla kampat don satya ya ka airport ka bapura. Ula benrap ru baga jing penhe baga jing kentiu ya ka umroi airport kelas dang balabu thong ban pendem ha ka bukut usnem arhajar arpendriu ka ba Iohnong ka game changer na ka benta ka kam jungo kai perthei ha ka jilla ha ka be dei baga jing penbit penbiang ka jing friend but ka Ministry of Civil Aviation Umentri ulo ong baladan ki jingtmu bante ki heliport bat ban pendrung ru ya ka sora kom ka benta jong ka jingya lenti jong kai perthei ka ba kentup lang ya ki benta ba pher jong ka chilla uba polling do ulak do ru ya ki jingtei thmai bat ki project ha ka hospitality sector ka lemon tree hotel class dang bante hajaka barim ka polo bar hilai snem banwan ka shillong kan sayo artli ki 5-star hotel ka sarkar ka krishan ru ya ka jingtei ka state museum bat ru ya ka experiential cave tourism project hamau sunram ringkar ki project ban pinkantiu ya ka jingesem jangki nongwan jongok ka hyperthai ha kalyang literary tourism la panaba ka shillong literary festival kanlong na do ka arphau trik hadu arphu artrik naiwing an hajar apsan badi ki kriteng jangki nong tho ki riu pau khaman on sapin bina hadin Umentri ulo ongru ba ka jingyo jingmentoi jingkini ki festival ka let shaki nong shnong nong kendong da ka jingiro ya ka sora kum ka nuksa ulo ong ba ka dan mynta palat sanspa atali ki homestay ki bala ai jingmentoi bet shaki pho hajar tali ki long yim kini ki festival kim dei tang ka jingyelang handrei ki de ki lat ban kentiu ka yo ka kon bat ka yo ka kam ha ka jilla ba kan yo ban penon kam pat shaki we ki benta ki badan kam lo ong uba polling do shaphang ka Megong festival kabla apkhmi lenti uba polling do ulo ong ba ka jing pelong ya ka kan sedang ka jing perkhat thamai but on sapna ya ka tarik ka ba thamai shen
This 23 crores is for one festival?
No. This covers Megong, Cherry Blossom, Brian Adams, Alan Walker, Heat Sheeran, Winter Tales, and Litfest. Cumulatively, the investment was 23.50 and the ROI was 133.42 crores.
The previous years you have taken?
Yeah, but not right away.
Okay.
But we have.
Also, one more question. How do you empower the local talents? We are attracting the international personalities.
Right.
How do you ensure that?
It's a give and take situation whereby, for instance, when it comes to local talents, now we have daily CMGMP programs, and the coverage has now crossed 7,000 artists. A lot of these bands and musicians were previously performing outside, either in Bangalore, Delhi, or Chennai. Today, they have come back, and we are sending them to, for instance, Hard Rock Cafe outlets across India, and we are also going international. Next month, quite a few of them will also be performing in Singapore.
So,
hence, we will begin with the formal launch of Meghalaya's Autumn Calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. So we have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18. The 7th Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge, October 23rd till 25th. The Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15. Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd. Megong Festival, November 28 and 29. And Winter Tales, December 11th till 13th. I would request that these copies be circulated to all of you.
Can we ask the question?
I will brief you first
Okay.
so that you'll know what to ask. First, let me also update you on Cherry Blossom. I'm joined by our Director, Tourism, Brenda Pakinteng, and Jason Manners, who has been with Rockski, part of the organization, which has partnered with Tourism Department over the past many editions of Cherry Blossom. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether, where there will be a walk-in facility, and the entire stretch of the road leading to Polo Ground will be pedestrianized throughout the 2 days of the festival. And also we will have various stalls and displays as one walks towards the stadium. So for day one of Cherry Blossom, as you are aware, I had made the announcement that we have Jason Dorolo and the script who will be headlining on day one. Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Fatehi, has also confirmed her participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. She has a huge fan following in India, and her most known stage performance so far has been a performance at the FIFA World Cup held at Qatar in 2022. Cherry Blossom will be her first Indian show. For day two, we are in the negotiation stage with a few artists. We will be sharing information with you in the next 10 days. So if you have anything further on Cherry Blossom, you can ask now.
Then also because of
Baljak Airport was the last time.
Baljak Airport was the venue, and a lot of criticism was.
I think it's being shifted. We will update you. I think I'll go to the next item now.
Yes.
This again is a very important landmark decision
Before
where
about this Cherry Blossom. Ni iba mention menurut tadi kan konser kan ida tu aktivis mobilnya Cherry Blossom.
Cherry Blossom.
Makanya pada aktivis lebih dari festival.
You got brief dah kasih.
Betul besar.
Betul.
So your question is, you're asking whether the festival experience will be the same.
Yes, probably.
What other activities?
Yeah, we're adding a lot more new activities. See, every year the idea is to add new verticals, new activities to Cherry Blossom Festival. This year we can confirm that we are adding arm wrestling. The Pro Panja League is going to be part of the Cherry Blossom Festival. We're speaking to so many brands. We're speaking to Tinder, we're speaking to Nika, we have a lot of corporate interest this year for Cherry Blossom Festival. And ground 2 and ground 3 of Polo Grounds will be used for the festival experience. The stadium will be the main stage area, where we will also have experience zones in the main stadium. But primarily the festival zone will be the 2 big grounds of Polo Grounds. And another addition we are adding this year to Cherry Blossom Festival, since everything has started to become very corporatized, we are adding one more ground which will have all these prime entrepreneurs and prime rural entrepreneurs, which will be curated by the tourism department of Governor Meghalaya. So it's very inclusive. Everybody will be part of the festival this year.
What do you have to say about this?
See, this kind of activism will not help. It will only defeat the very purpose of us trying to tackle the menace of drug trafficking. as you can see, the ANTF is now a totally dedicated police force led by an SP with its own vehicles and trained personnel. Areas which have not been covered by them in the past, for instance, the cantonment area, Iohnong, our ANTF guys are there almost on a daily basis. And for somebody to actually physically go ahead and catch hold of suspected peddlers, that itself is illegal, and it also risks the health of the person who actually can come into contact with contaminated syringes and stuff like that. But we have a scheme which I have shared with the Iohnongs. We had a very well-attended meeting at the NEC building at Nongram Hills, where all the major Iohnongs of Shillong had attended, and we appealed to them to avail of the VDP scheme, Village Defence Party, which is a legal entity, which will also give them legal coverage and protection, and which works in tandem with the police department. We have revised and enhanced the cash incentive from 800 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month. And these volunteers need not be on the roads, on the streets, on the lanes 24/7. They will only assist the police department with information and giving us leads. So we have done that. We have also, till today, detained 6 repeat offenders under the PITS NDPS, where they will be detained for a period of 1 year, which is extendable if they are found to be repeating the crimes. So these are all major initiatives that the government has taken. And I would again appeal, as of date, we have just 11 VDPs in Shillong, a city that has now a population that has crossed 5 lakhs, close to 6 lakhs plus. So for a population of 6 lakhs, to have just 11 VDPs, because we need information sharing. We need, and we have also the DREAM mission. And recently, you might recall, I have visited the ANTF office, and we have given cash incentives also to their personnel, 10,000 rupees per volunteer, which has not happened in the past. So these are major initiatives. Through you, I would appeal to the Iohnongs to come forward, take advantage of the offer of the state government, because this is not us versus them. This is not government versus the people. This is the people with us together tackling the menace of drugs.
But Bapal,
Yeah, make this your last, yeah.
yeah, last question. Bapal, this manhandling or this catching these drug addicts or drugs peddlers by individuals or organization, don't you think that it weakens the law? Because
I have just said that. I have shown you instances why it not only is illegal, it also weakens our effort to tackle, because you need professionals. You can't tackle drugs by going on this vigilantism, because for instance, when you catch drugs from someone's possession and take hold of those drugs, they are now under your possession. So you become the accused. See? Okay, thank you.